All right, today's Curiosity Door is a little bit different. We're going to talk about study skills. So I want to talk about something called double entry notes. And in double entry notes, you have your notebook paper and you divide it in half down the middle. On the right side of your paper, you're going to put things directly from the text, whether it be an article, a book you're reading for fun that you want to think about in more depth, or a textbook, or an article, or anything. But anything directly from the text or the article goes there. And then on the left side, you put things that are your thoughts. These should be your own thoughts in your own words. All right, so here I've gone through this article and I've highlighted some important information. So I'm going to copy this onto the left side of my double entry notes. All right, so now you see that I've copied the information from the text or the article onto my left side of my double entry notes. This is the important information. It's kind of like a summary or an outline of the important information. Now I'm going to record my thoughts or my reflection about the information. All right, so now you see I have the information from the text and I have my reflection about it. And what I did is I took, so for example, I have here, an acid is an ionic compound that produces hydrogen ions in water. And then I also have that one of the properties is that they conduct electricity. And so I'll take those pieces of information and I'll put them together and I get this over here. An electrolyte is anything that conducts electricity when you dissolve it in water. And since acids produce ions and ions conduct electricity, then all acids are electrolytes. Also, acids taste sour right here. I connected that over here. Lemons taste sour due to the citric acid in them. And I connected these two down here with some prior information that I learned in a previous chapter, that metals react with acids to produce hydrogen gas. So here's the gas, okay, the hydrogen gas, and this is a single replacement reaction. So that's double-sided notes. One side you have information directly from the text. On the other side you have your interpretation or your thoughts. You could record questions to ask your teacher when you get to class the next day. You could, if you're doing a story in ELA, you could record your opinions or your predictions of what you think is going to happen. So one side text, the other side thoughts, questions, interpretations, reflections. And that's one way to study. See you next time on Curiosity Door.